Hello, dear learners. Today I'm going to teach you about expressions. Expressions play an integral part in an actor's performance on stage. Whenever we see an actor perform on stage, one thing that catches us really fast is the expression the actor gives out because it connects the bridge between the audience and the actor. So expressions are really important for an actor. And if you want to learn a few expressions, I have three simple ways in which you can improve your expressions. Number one is the facial exercise. Through this exercise, you can stretch your facial muscles through which you can give out better facial expressions. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is that you need to open your mouth wide open and then close it like a fish. Again, close. So it's big and then small. Through this, you do a lot of facial exercise which helps you emote even better. Part two is that think about a memory that has a feeling attached to it. Let's say happy. I'll give you a few seconds to think about a memory that made you happy. Okay, I'll take a memory in which I got a present and I was really happy about it. So let me think about the memory. I got the present, I opened it, and I'm happy. It could be different expressions for different people. Happiness can be expressed in different ways by different people. So, this helps us. The third part to this is confidence. Whenever you are expressing yourself through your facial expressions, you need to be really sure of what you're doing on stage, what you're trying to say. You should be self convinced about whatever you're trying to say, and then you deliver your expressions. These three things in mind, and you're going to give out really cool expressions. I hope you all enjoyed it. Bye bye.